Hello, dear friends. Today let's make a beetroot face pack. First prepare beetroot yogurt and gram flour. Peel and grate the beetroot or blend it and strain to extract the juice. Grate 1 beetroot and mix it with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of gram flour to a paste. Apply the mixture. Your face leave in on for 5 to 0 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Beetroot face pack can including moisturizing dry skin, brightening and deepening skin tone, by reducing pigmentation and dark spots, fighting acne due to their inflammatory properties.